Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we saw how to delete a node from a double linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video, let's talk about how to delete an entire double linked list. So let's say this is a double linked list that we want to delete. Now if we recall from case of single linked list, all that we were doing in case of single linked list was we were updating head and tail with null. So that was automatically destroying this connection and this connection, and the rest of the node deletion system was automatically taking care of. But in the case of double linked list, that is not the case. Let's understand why. So let's say if we delete this connection over here between head and node 1 and tail and last node, still node 1 will never be deleted, and the reason is this reference over here. Since node 2 is referencing to node 1, node 1 will not get deleted. Similarly, node 2 will not be deleted because it is being referenced by node 1. So you see that there is a deadlock kind of a situation. 1 cannot be deleted because of 2 and 2 cannot be deleted because of 1. So ultimately none of the nodes will ever be deleted. So how do we get around this problem? So the answer is simple. All that we have to do is we have to traverse each and every node and delete the previous reference. So we'll go to node 1 and delete this reference. Similarly, we'll go to node 2, delete this reference. Node 3, delete this reference. Node 4, delete this reference. When we say delete the reference, we mean update it with null. Now if you can see, node 1 is neither pointed by head nor it is pointed by node 2. Hence it can be deleted. Then the system goes to node 2 and node 2 again is not being pointed by node 1 because it is already deleted. Node 3 is also not pointing to node 2 anymore. So we can delete node 2. Similarly, system will delete node 3 and node 4. So I hope you have understood how to delete a double linked list. Now let's see what is the algorithm looks like. So the algorithm is extremely simple. The name of the method is delete linked list. It takes head and tail references. Then we run a loop starting from head till tail. And every time we visit any node, we make sure that the previous reference of that node is set to null. That is, we visit node 1, we make this null. We visit node 2, make this as null. Node 3, make this null. Node 4, make this null. Once all of the previous references has been marked as null, then we can say head is equal to tail is equal to null. That is, we delete this connection and this connection over here. Once that is done, all of these nodes gets eligible for garbage collection and system can safely delete all these nodes. So I hope you have understood how does the algorithm works. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So looping from head to tail, it will take order of n time because we are basically visiting each and every node. Updating the previous reference will take constant time. Similarly, updating head and tail will take constant time. So if we add all these three over here, we get order of n time. Now space complexity will be order of 1 because we are using some temporary variables to do the loop work, nothing more than that. So I hope you have understood how to delete entire double linked list. Now with this we end this video. In the next video, let's recap all the time and space complexities that we have seen for all the 6 algorithms till now. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.